What is going on, Tech fam? It's November 2024, and it's that time again. ITCareer/channel update. Let's get to it. Okay, family, if you're watching me talk right now, I appreciate you. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome. If you have already been around, welcome back. Again, I appreciate you chopping it up with your boy. Now, like I said in the intro, this is going to be an update. The last time I did this was the end of November 2023, so it's been just about a year. I think this is a good time for an annual update. So let's talk about it. Now, I'm going to link the last video either in the description or in a card or something around here, and you can go back and check that out to see, the differences between then and now. So my status at the time of the last video was that my title was a senior system administrator team lead. I was working in data center operations. I had all of the associate level cloud computing certifications from AWS. I was just about to start an MBA in IT management from WGU. And I had started preparing myself to pursue a cloud engineering and cloud architect role with either a different company or the company that I was with at the time. So that was just a recap of where I was in the last video. So let's talk about my current status, what's going on right now. So first thing I'll tell you is that I completed the MBA in IT management. So that is done. This is all in furtherance of the next step in my career. I'm well on my way. And I documented a lot of the coursework and my approach to it on this channel under the WGU playlist. So you can go watch some of that if you're interested in that MBA and IT management degree and some of the classes involved in it and my take on how to approach those. I've got some of those videos in there, and that's a resource for you, okay? Whole time I've still been building solutions and working on cloud projects, and I've got some of that on this channel. I participated in a hackathon and actually won a place in the hackathon for my entry. All that's documented on this channel. You can go and check it out if that's something that you're interested in. And again, just being intentional and moving forward. So the new news is I got a new position. I no longer work for the organization that I was working for when I was talking to you last. I now work for AWS as a technical account manager or enterprise account engineer. I'm very excited for this role. I've been employed at AWS for about 4 months now, since June. This was also a goal of mine, ultimately to be working for AWS and to be a cloud engineer in a role of cloud engineering. I'll discuss some of the particulars about the role in other videos on this channel. I haven't gotten any new certifications since last we spoke. I've been really busy doing other things and taking a break after that master's degree work. It was pretty intense, so I had to lean back a little bit because the burnout was real, but I'm ramping back up, so I'm doing more and doing more. My next certification that I'm eyeballing is the Solutions Architect Professional by AWS. I've been doing a lot of DevOps work, and I really enjoy doing DevOps, so that's something that I'm incorporating into my skill set as I move forward. It's still a lot of work to generate content for YouTube channels. I'm still struggling with carving out enough time to make these happen. It's not so much the recording piece, but the editing and the piecing together the ideas and all that stuff. It's just time consuming. So, I've just been able to upload as I can or when I can carve out some time for it. I'm still working on a system or a process that's going to streamline this for me. And part of that hackathon entry that I did is going to help me with that. I actually generated an AI system to help with content creation, and it saves a lot of time, does a lot of the heavy legwork for us. So that's going to be awesome. I'm still building out a system to get these things going on a regular basis For now, it's just going to be whenever I have time, but I'm eventually going to try to get on some kind of weekly cadence, or maybe a bi-weekly cadence where I drop a video every week or two. And then maybe I'll just do some in between, jump in front of the camera, give my thoughts on a certain situation or the latest news that's going on in the tech industry. Something like that. I ain't got it all fleshed out, but it's coming. Just stick around, keep chopping it up with your boys. Stay tuned to the channel. The content will be coming. Going forward into 2025, my main goal is to excel in this new role. I'm just gonna be learning everything I can about the role, the company, the culture, and I just wanna be the best technical account manager, they call us TAMs, that I possibly can be. One of the best in the organization. That's my goal, so that's gonna be my primary focus. I'm still doing content, I'm still working and building in the cloud. I'm still looking at hackathons. As a matter of fact, I just saw a brand new hackathon that came out that I'm interested in taking. I'm probably gonna do it. So that remains to be seen. Stay tuned. You'll see videos coming out about that as they come along. I've been building repos in GitHub and working on my DevOps skills as well. So that's really exciting, and just giving back to the community, writing blog articles, creating repos for new folks to help them learn different aspects of cloud computing and DevOps and AWS, that some of the stuff that maybe wasn't available or that I wish I knew when I was coming through it. So that, I think that's going to be real helpful to folks. So y'all definitely stay tuned for that and watch out for that. So as you can probably tell from my background, I changed my office and lab location, and I'm right now working on revamping my environment here. So I'm just making changes to the stuff I got going on in my setups and my workstations so that it can better facilitate the stuff that I'm interested in and the stuff that I'll be doing going forward. So you'll see the transition in my background as we move forward around here. And really, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. This is another update for the channel and the career on the annual. You know what I'm saying? It's been a year since the last one. Wanted to come back, touch base with the tech fam, let y'all know what's been going on, show y'all the steady, intentional progress that I've been working on over these last few years, and I'm going to continue doing that. And so until the next video, tech fam,